YouTubers look into the camera while talking or themselves? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally, we are here. I don't know how to start a YouTube channel, what to start talking, whatever. तो मैं वही बोलूंगी जो मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है. Yes, I cleaned my room for YouTube. Yes. How did I get casted for Flipkart? So far, I've gone one day. Such castings are mostly done through agencies. And I was casted through VI Cast You. There are other agencies also in Bangalore that are doing it because the friends I made from there, they told me that, I'm casted from so-and-so agency. I'll mention the agencies in the description. You can go check them out. You can go approach them. You can send your profile to them. I have my laptop and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what their requirement was and exactly what I sent and everything. So they wanted like natural pictures and 3 or 4 best pictures. So I'd recommend you guys to go and get your Polaroids clicked. That is the first step to being a model. And even मैंने बहुत delay कर दिया वो कराने में whatever. So what are Polaroids? You just wear fitted clothing, no makeup. You can of course conceal your dark circles and everything. Very neutral expression and just who you are is supposed to be shown in the Polaroids. If you want more details, wait for my next video. But this is not what I sent to Flipkart team. What I sent is this. These are not Polaroids. It was for promotion of bags. Like I shot for Wildcraft, American Tourister, Prestige, all these kind of brands. So this is actually called comp card. It's very important again. Once you're done with your Polaroids, you should go and make your comp card. And then your portfolio. I will talk about all of that in detail in another video. In the group, they said natural pictures and everything. But to me personally, they said update your comp card with sporty wear and casual wear. तो मैंने casual डाल दिया, sport wear जो भी मेरे पास था मैंने डाल दिया. But you see that they are having plain background. I edited them with Photo Room. It did not have a plain background. This is the original picture. And this is what I made. That is all I sent and I got casted. Simple. So coming to my experience, it was so much fun. There was metro access. It's literally next to a metro station. So it was very easy for me to go there. 8 a.m. was the call time. I went there, I made friends, we had breakfast and all musty and everything. That started! That she bought biscuits and this. अरे ब्रो नहीं मिला ब्रो बाउल नहीं मिला अरे यार खाना it is important. They are international models who are sitting there. They don't even give bhav. I will also not give bhav. And then makeup and then shoot started. Welcome to the green room. बहुत प्यारा ऑफिस है. दिख रहा है यार मेकअप होने डरावना मेकअप बहुत डरावना नहीं यार वी आर सुंदर सी नेचुरल ब्यूटीज and hi bye. I got a very fun photographer to shoot with, a very fun team. Yeah.
Wait.
No,
Wait, dumb.
Shooting because bro.
Every year, man. No, it's done. It's over. Don't get it now.
Very fun people, I swear. This is how it's supposed to be. This is what we did. Hey, Bhagwan. The shoot went on till I must say 5. So 8 to 5. It's a whole day thing. And they paid me on time. Payment is less. Okay. But as in when you work and go, they will increase your payment. That's what they demand. Like, bro, in Bangalore, there are like so many models, so many, and they're all good looking. It's about how smart you are, how quick you are, how passionate you are, because you have to work 8 to 5. for a very less payment. You need passion for that. Like you want to see yourself on Flipkart app. I'm waiting for mine. If you're thinking that you can do all this as a side hustle, I'm only talking about Flipkart, whatever e-com I'm telling. It's not really possible because of the timings, and they shoot only on weekdays. They don't, Saturday, Sunday, there are no shoots that happen. So it's not easy for you to do it as a side hustle. Although there are other modeling projects that you can definitely take up on weekends. Stop comparing yourself with another model, another person, another whoever, because that doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it only matters about how quick you are to look for an opportunity and how quick you are to grab it. And yes, I have to mention this. I applied to them, and I used to not even get reply from them, like even like for a week or something. And if I had given up, I wouldn't have gotten shot for Flipkart. So you have to be a little persistent. You have to have patience. They'll cast you. They'll cast you when the requirements right. You fit the requirements. And don't take rejection personally. Like if they're not replying to you, don't take like, oh, they're not replying to me. No, it's not like that. They have a lot of models to handle, and if you don't fit their requirements, then they will not reply to you. Very simple, right? So just, if I've missed out on anything, please comment and let me know. I'd love to clarify your doubts. I'll definitely make a video every week, so stay tuned. I made it up, like I didn't have it in mind. I made it up like while shooting, because I don't want any sugarcoating in this channel. I'm just gonna be very transparent with you guys, because I know how much I dread to have a guidance, like somebody who can guide me that this is what you have to do, Rakshita, to become a model. It's hard, like on YouTube. So I want to be that for a lot of you girls and guys. Boys and girls are getting casted for Flipkart. So all my male friends, they keep saying that girls get more opportunities in modeling field. Look at this. It's all men. So comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next. So what are you waiting for? Go like, comment, share, subscribe, and motivate me to make more videos. All about real and raw stories with Rakshita Maheshappa. And I really don't know how to end a YouTube video, so all I'm gonna do is